Hi, darlings. And who says that you cannot make yourself this beautiful bowl of goodness? Excuse me? This is so easy to make. Straightforward. No paparazzi, no complex equipment, nothing. You don't need anything special to make this. You just need your vegetables and your knife. Check, 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 check. You're done cutting up these things. And then put them in a bowl. And then pour some mayonnaise or some vinaigrette. Or better still, eat it like that. I mean, treat your body right now, eh? Treat your body right. Give it the required amount of nutrients. And now you have me stuttering the. Oh my goodness. Okay, so some people find it difficult to, just take a carrot and chew it, or cucumber. This way, it's so easy to consume vegetables. The kids can eat it, adults can eat it, anyone can eat it. And then anyone can make this. It's just normal with babes to cook and, make salads. But the guys can do this as well. Even the kids themselves can do this because it's so easy to put together. Guys, please do this. Even the bachelors, Uncle Bachelor, please make this salad. Learn to make this salad for yourself so that when my sister comes into your life and then the kids start coming in, you can just make this beautiful treats for them. Now, this is some olive oil and some red and green pepper flakes, and then some salt. Mix this and pour over the salad. All right. Some people do not like mayonnaise. I served mine with mayonnaise, like it's really enjoyable with mayonnaise. You suit yourself, okay? If you don't like onions, some people are allergic to onion. This is sesame seeds. I just sprinkle it on the salad. Please, you can always twist my recipes. Take out whatever you're allergic to. Take out the onions if you don't like it. Take out the eggs if you don't like it. And then you are at liberty to, add in more vegetables if you choose to. If you're wondering what the brown stuff is, that's dates. I never skip dates in my salad. I hardly would skip dates in my salad. You can have this as a meal, right? And then imagine placing this sumptuous bowl on your dining table as an accompaniment to your main dish. Who's gonna say no? Now, thank you for sharing my delicious moments. All right, appreciate you. Bye.